So the offset command lets you offset in polyline or a line arc to one side or the other. So again, it's a command on the command line. You can type in O for offset, and you can see you got some options. So you can delete the original object. You can change the destination layer where the offset line is going to go. You can, set the distances, the gap type, or through a point. So just look at your command line because it'll prompt you for, in this case, specify the distance. So if I want to offset this 1 foot, I'm going to press enter. It's going to ask for the source entity, and I'm going to pick that, and you can see that it offset it 1 foot, and you can see the line that it created. It's just kind of showing you that it offset it to the back side there. You can specify the side for the destination. So if I pick this side, you can see that now it's on this side of the line versus the other side of the line. So even though it shows you kind of preview mode on the kind of offsetting it to the back, you can change it to the front. If I pick this line again, you can see it's asking for the offset side. It kind of defaulted to where I was last. If I pick that side, now I offset it to that side. Now you can also do it to both sides. You can offset multiple lines, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of options that you can see as you go through this, but the offset line lets you offset a line, polyline, or arc to one side or the other based on a distance.